Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to set up stopwatch countdown in your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone time. So I'm going to click on here. It's going to open up like this. Next thing we want to do is to simply come down below right here and make sure we click on stopwatch. It's going to open up like so. Now what we want to do right here is to simply click on this play button right here. The minute you click on the play button and the time starts to count, just like so, then you can explore some of the tools right here and this and this. Now if you explore this particular tools right here, you click on this tool, then this allow you to set a certain, it's going to give you the result of the counting right here. So you can use this to pause the countdown just like so. You can also use this to erase everything. Then you can also come back here and click on here to start all over again. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to set up stopwatch countdown on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.